Before we start our lesson, we will briefly go through safety precautions and copyrights. Copyrights. No material should be copied, shared, whether it's electronically or photocopying, screenshots, or recording of any information which is shared with you or stored or set on a retrieval system without written permission and approval from us. Illegal copying is not permitted. You need our consent. Safety. We try to engrave safety precautions into every woman driver or potential driver. These self-reliant instructions are only for items easy to perform for you as a female driver or a potential driver to better understand your vehicle. Just like most things in life, DIY maintenance can be dangerous. You could succumb to death, injury, or any other expenses, and we assume no responsibility. Our aim here is to create a safety conscious attitude out of each and every woman or potential driver. So if you do not feel confident enough or do not have the proper tools or equipment, rather let a qualified person take over the job. This information is also specified in your vehicle owner's manual, where they give you certain cautions, warnings, and notifications. If these warnings and cautions and notes are ignored, then you could injure yourself, you could injure your vehicle, or both could occur. Our weekly recommended checks are found in your workbooks. Please read through these safety precautions, the images, the warning notes, and the cautions. I'm tired. Please go through the safety cautions, warnings, and notes, as you will be asked questions on these.